How to archive a story on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to save your stories before they disappear after 24 hours. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Archiving and Downloading. Afterwards, toggle on Save Story to Archive. In addition to that, once enabled, all your stories will automatically be saved to your archive after 24 hours. Once there, to view archive stories, go back to your profile. Subsequently, tap on the three horizontal lines again and select Archive. Moreover, tap on Stories Archive to see all your previously posted stories. Afterwards, you can tap on any archive story to view, share, or add it to highlights. And that's it. If this story archive guide helped you save your memories, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap for bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.